Alright, BJ. So what's going on with the Carmen gear? The carburetor. I think we might have
fuel pump, block, oil dipstick, distributor, pulley, band clamp.
the band clamp is even energized.
Coil bracket.
Holy fuck, the whole fucking motor's energized.
The starter isn't.
The starter's not energized?
No.
What the fuck? Hey, this ain't like one of your Triumphs, is it?
No. This is not a Triumph.
Is it the intake?
Yeah.
You didn't check this. Oh, yep. It's
The
energized.
body's energized.
Is that why my arm is tingling right now?
What the fuck? What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
We did not have this problem before you worked on this thing. What did you
Oh,
do?
did y'all even check it before you?
It ran.
Oh
Started
shit!
up. But-
Oh hell! Hey, you ain't got the terminals backwards, do you?
Start with a key.
No, that wouldn't make the car energize.
There ain't nothing hooked up to it. Look, all this shit's unhooked.
It's just a
Everything.
ground.
Everything's unhooked from here. Everything. There's nothing hooked up but a ground cable and a hot cable.
Gotta love these foreign cars.
So you gotta tell me what I did. I didn't do nothing.
The bumper's energized. Oh my god. Right there, fella. Oh god. Might be the pain. Well, if you're hooking to an energized source and trying to check,
No, I was hooked on the ground on the
no, I'm
battery.
talking about up here.
But it still should it shouldn't matter.
Sure. Hook it up to the positive. That's fucking weird.
Look at this rat's nest, though. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, this is a $50,000 show car. My ass. More like a fucking $2,000 piece of junk. I cannot reach that far. My problem is I'm not getting a good ground up here.
Well, then click it to that bolt right there.
That's what
I did. I did do that and I couldn't get nothing.
Well, y'all have fun.